What's up, guys? It's George, and today I am working at a title company for the day, doing closings all day, getting paid per pop, pumping out closings all day, getting paid about $150 per closing all day. So I'll be doing about 4 to 6 closings here today. I've already done 2 so far, and I love working directly at the title company. And there's a couple of reasons why, because you can make a lot more money, and so that's what I want to share about. I know some of you guys following my channel are learning about becoming a notary and building a notary business. And so, I like sharing advice on how to make more money on my channel. And so, being a notary, as I've done plenty of videos on before, is one of the best home-based businesses. One of the ways to easily make a lot of extra money, or make it a full-time career, like I have. It's what really got me out of the corporate rat race about 10 years ago, and I haven't had to work a job ever since. And primarily, thanks to my notary business. So, as a notary, there's lots of ways you can make money, and as I've talked about in other videos, you can make money doing closings, where when someone's buying a house, selling a house, refinancing, doing anything with real estate related, and they're going to need someone to witness the signatures on those documents, and that's when a notary comes in handy. And so what happens? You can get hired for those types of jobs, and you get paid anywhere from $75 to $200 per appointment. And so, there's a couple ways you can get hired for those. One way is you can get contacted by a signing company, a signing company, and basically that's like a middleman company, a directory that all they do is locate notaries that are convenient to the person signing. So, for example, if a title company in Ohio has a client that's in Florida, it's not going to be very cost efficient for them to fly to Florida to do the closing, and the customer in Florida is probably not going to want to fly to Ohio to do the closing. And so, in order to make it convenient, what they do is they use a loan signing agent, such as myself. And so, since they're not familiar with Florida and the people that work there, a lot of times what these title companies and escrow officers prefer to do is to reach on out to a signing company that knows the quality notaries and the reviews and ratings, and then will locate a notary that's closest to the client. So that way it's super convenient for them. And so that's what's called a signing company, getting business from them. Now, that's a great way to start getting business. I still do a lot of business with signing companies, but the problem is with signing companies is they are a middleman, so you got to understand they're taking a chunk of the money. And sometimes it can be more money than you're getting paid, and you're the one doing all the work. So the absolute best way to make money one of the best ways, especially when it comes to closings, is to get as close to the source as possible. Meaning, instead of working with signing companies, work directly with title companies and escrow officers, like I am doing right now. If I was getting these closings from a signing company, they may have only offered me like $75 or something, or $100. But instead, I'm getting paid $150 per closing, and I'm not even having to print any documents or anything. Normally the documents would get emailed to me. I'd have to print them out, and then I'd have to, scan them back and ship them and everything. I don't have to do any of that because, I do have, they already have the documents printed out. I'm just signing all the documents with the client, and then afterwards I'm using their scanner and everything to scan everything in, and I'm leaving the documents here with them. And you also, so not only you're saving money on paper, ink, toner, and then also you don't have to worry about shipping it out, and then you get paid more, and then also you get paid quicker, because a lot of times the title company will either pay you on the spot or they'll pay you within like a week. They're a lot faster. Where these signing companies, sometimes they won't pay for anywhere from 30 days to 90 days, and in worst cases, even longer. And so that's what's nice, get as close to the source as possible. So just want to share that, guys. Working with title companies is awesome. There are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of title companies all throughout the United States. So there are so many title companies that desperately need quality notaries to work for them and to do closings, and you can make a lot of money. I've had days where I've made over $1,000 working at a title company, just sitting there signing documents all day. Today, I'm probably going to make close to $1,000, and I'll be out of here by 5 o'clock. how's that? How would you like to make 1,000? I mean, this morning I got up, I went to the gym, did a full workout, and got here and doing closings all day, and I'll leave here by be done home by 5 o'clock, and made almost $1,000. How wouldn't you like to think about how long it takes you to make it $1,000? And so that's what I'm saying, guys, about being a notary is one of the best home-based businesses. And working for signing companies is a great way to start to get experience, but eventually you do want to work with title companies, because that's how you'll make that bank. You'll make a lot more, twice as much money, and the whole process is just better all around. So I'll definitely do more videos sharing details about how to get business working with title companies and escrow officers. But the truth is, if you really want to learn about it, then you got to get the loan signing system course. The link's in the description. To learn the secrets and everything you got to do to learn how to grow a very successful notary business like I have. Or check out the link to learn about about coaching one-on-one with me. I've coached a lot of people from this channel now. It's a lot of fun, and everybody who coaches with me gets a lot of value from it, and they're all usually making money very fast because I get right to the goods. So hope you guys are all having a great day, and until next time, guys, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.